feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up.
Coconut juice mission. Oh my god. You gonna scare the rooster now.
Help me.
That one it's not sharp. Oh my god. You got it. Hit it. Hit it, girl. Hit it like a piñata. Whoa.
Shut up.
Hit it. Like it's. Oh. Oh. One more? Let me see. One more. Just that's all you need?
Gahi naman ni Bray.
What?
Si gahi no. Oh.
Oh my god. Let's take a sip. Why don't you just grab a glass? You don't drop it.
No. They don't want. Ah. Oh my god, nasama dyan siya.
Come on.
I want to try that one.
You gonna get more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah. You get that one.
Okay, hold on.
Look.
Drink it. Are you gonna peel them for later?
Hmm?
You gonna get the coconut out too? Oh no. Let me get that one.
Not that one.
Which one?
This one or
The one on top?
yeah, that one.
This one? This one?
Try.
I'm gonna knock it. Watch out. There you go. Knock it out. We got 2 coconuts, and then there's more coconuts right here. We could eat these all day, you know. Coconut. Oh, sakita wing. Using my shirt to clean yourself. You want the coconut? We gonna eat it or no? You wanna eat the inside?
No.
No?
I try. Gahi naman ni Bray.
What'd you say? Watch out, be careful.
Oh, gahi lagi.
Oh, gahali. No? No good? Or you don't want it? You don't want it, huh? Come on. Ugh.
Faster, it's so hot.
Oh my god.
Down.
What else you want?
Oh my god.
What else you want, princess? Oh my god, get off.
Ow.
You got it?
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute.